All right, let's talk about replay. Okay, so here we are over the replay, and replay is in this station over here, and replay has some audio if you would like to have it as audio. Replay also has the ability to send a little bug. They have their own little replay bug, which is kind of cool. This is also being sent over to production the same way as graphics. So we have this overlay slash output, and they're going to be picking that up over at gameplay. And if you recall, over here, we're just capturing our clips, organizing them into the different areas, making sure that we have we're actually recording, and that we're live, and that we want to, when we are ready to send stuff, we highlight everything and we click play events. You can get into some more nuanced stuff. A couple things you can do is each game, each event, you can change this number up here and you can record things into specific sections. And then if you really want to get fancy, you can start tagging things. So we can make new tags and we can come in here and we can tag something and we could say like final goal. If we wanted to do that, we just typed in final goal, and now that means we have a tag. So obviously there can only be one final goal in each game, but this would allow us to tag things into different categories across the entire game system, across the entire match or stream. And then if we wanted to, we could just do the ones we want for that tag, and then you could select them. Okay, we can also move things to other channels. So if we wanted to have a final goal of all of them that's in 20, we could move all the final goals to the final, to number 20, just to have them out of the way. So that's pretty cool. Remember that you've got your -5, your -10, your -20. You can also mark in and out independently if you wanted to. It's a little more advanced, but also just, not super necessary for what we're doing, but you could do it. And then you can loop things here. When you do your replay, it'll loop over and over and over again. And you can play music. We could automatically upload some music that would play during replays if we wanted to. This would be something we could do if we were going to have like a break for whatever reason. We just wanted to play replays. We could have some background music behind it. And then the other thing is you can change the replay speed. So if you really wanted to, you could bring this thing down to 50%. As you can see, it's much slower, and then you could ramp it back up, and you can also change that speed over here on your own. Okay, cool. That's the absolute basics of the replay system. You can see over here that the way we're bringing this in, as we all already know, is we are using an NDI source from our input over here, which we brought in from our observer machine, right? Rocket League is somewhere over here, there it is. And we brought that in, and that is our camera that we have selected to be recording. So we're recording everything that comes in from here. And then our output is here. And what we did was came into our outputs. Output number 3, we just have 4 of these, so we're just making output number 3. We turn NDI on, which means that it's going to be visible on the network. Okay, there you go. That's the nutshell of replay.